Basta he's a mayor. Definitely he's not a senator.
Pero, sir,
Mayor sa North.
Sir, ba't ayaw niyo pang pangalanan kung ipapatawag siya ng committee?
Huh?
Meron ka bang
Well,
request na ipatawag?
I just received a very reliable information that her partner is a public official. Kasi sabihin ko, mayor ng isang maliit na bayan sa Pangasinan. And according to my bubuit, siya yung nagpapatakbo ng POG operations ng owned by allegedly kay Mayor Alice Go doon mismo sa Bamban.
So, sir, ipinapatawag na ba yung mayor na yun?
Hindi pa.
Pero isasuggest nyo
Well,
na patawag?
if I can get pieces of evidence linking that mayor to the POG operations,